On those wintry, rainy nights, no one likes to come home to a driveway filled with potholes and puddles. The answer is SurePave. The SurePave paving system locks gravel in place, providing a safe and stable, free-draining surface. This permeable paving panel is easy to install. To prepare your subbase, clear the area of soil and debris. Cover the area with SureTex geotextile. Add a 100 to 150 mm layer of drainage aggregate. And make sure this layer is well compacted. Place a 10 to 20 mm layer of crusher dust over the aggregate. This doesn't need to be compacted. Next, place SurePave panels on top of the crusher dust. SurePave panels simply clip together. For any gaps, curves or odd angles, SurePave is easy to cut using a circular saw or handsaw. Fill the area with pavers, making sure you stand on the paver to place the next one. Spread your desired surface material evenly across the pavers. Now when the rain comes, water will simply pass through the pavers and drainage aggregate to soak evenly into the soil below, leaving you with a flat, stable, dry pavement surface that you can use all year round. SurePave is suitable for lightweight and heavyweight traffic, including utes, boats, camper vans and trucks. SurePave is available from stores nationwide.